right, let me take you to Moneyline briefs now, and Motheo Khoaripe is standing by. So Motheo, MTN seems like they're going to face some obstacles in Iran following Donald Trump's announcement.
We're only seeing the beginning of those effects of that decision. The MTN Group said the decision by the United States to reimpose economic sanctions against Iran may impact its ability to repatriate cash from MTN Iran cell. In 2018, the group had repatriated approximately 1.3 billion rand from MTN, including 913 million rand relating to the full 2017 dividend due to MTN. MTN says it's remained committed to its investment in Iran cell and to repatriating the balance of legacy cash in Iran. The remaining balance due to MTN is approximately 2.9 billion rand. Kenyan telecoms company Safaricom is expecting its earnings to rise by between 7 and 12% this year. The country's largest mobile network believes mobile money and data services will give back this growth. Safaricom's earnings before interest and tax for the year ended in March was over $780 million. That's 11% higher than initially estimated. Revenue from M-Pesa, the company's pioneering mobile money transfer service, jumped by 14.2%, while data sales grew by just under a quarter. The firm, which is under Vodacom by a 35% stake, holds almost 70% of the mobile subscription market in Kenya. Despite the previous month's decline, the South African Chamber of Commerce says its business confidence index rose by 1.1 points in April compared to the same time last year. Higher import volumes, retail sales and the real value of business plans passed helped lift local business confidence last month, but a drop in export volumes, new vehicle sales and the weaker rand had negative impacts. The Chamber supports President Cyril Ramaphosa's appointment of a team tasked with attracting investment to the country. It says South Africa's current domestic savings, which currently sit at about 16% of GDP, are not sufficient to finance investments. Through to markets now. The rand's recovery bolstered banking and retail stocks, the all-share industrials and financials all in positive territory. Oil prices rose as the U.S. made that Iran nuclear decision. Gold shares up more than 1% and platinum was flat on the day, with resources up more than 1.5%. Commodity prices were up marginally today, with the gold at $1,316 an ounce, and platinum was up just marginally there, with Brent crude high at $74.85 a barrel. And in currencies, Trump's decision to remove the U.S. from the Iran nuclear deal saw the rand break the 12.72 mark. It recovered, though, now at 12.60 against the greenback. It remains weak against the euro at 14.94 rand, and it's at 17.10 rand against the pound. In that Bitcoin price watch, the price of Bitcoin in the U.S. at $9,279 per Bitcoin. That's up from yesterday's price, and when traded locally, it's at 116,689 rand per Bitcoin. And that's your Moneyline briefs. More updates during Newsnight.